Hi, my name is Beyhan. I am SAP Logistics Consultant, and in this video I will show you how OEE is affected by changing values of OEE components. Basically, OEE is the way to calculate effectiveness of your operations. If you want to read more about OEE, you can go to oee.com. It gives detailed information, and you can also read from the wiki. OEE has three components. One of them is availability, other one is performance, and other one is quality. And OEE is multiplication of all of these three components. And if we try to break down our components for availability, let's say that we have whole day to produce, which is 1440 minutes, and in that one we have 3 breaks. Each break is 60 minutes, so we have 180 minutes of planned downtime. That leaves us to produce 21 hours, and in 21 hours we may have some issues with our machinery or with logistic supplies. So because of that, maybe we couldn't produce 6 hours. This is the unplanned downtime, and we left only 15 hours. And in 15 hours, let's say that we need to produce 1 part per minute. I am supposed to produce 900 parts, but actually I have produced 780 parts. That means we have like 120 parts lost, and if you calculate 1 part is 1 minute, we have 120 minutes lost. And finally, I had some quality issues and I had scrap. I have produced 780 parts, but 180 of them are scraps. So if I calculate the availability, I had planned production time 21 hours, but I actually worked 15 hours. That means division in minutes. Like 900 minutes I have worked, but I have planned to work 1260 minutes, and my availability rate is 71%. And according to performance, I was supposed to produce 1 part per minute, but I couldn't. Instead, I have created 708 parts instead of 900, so my performance is 86%. And in this 708 parts, I had some defects. So I have to enter scraps for 108 parts, and my quality is 76%. And if I calculate all of them, I get 47% OEE. So this is theoretically how OEE is calculated. Let's go to our OEE Playground and let's see how we can improve our OEE. So we had 180 minutes of planned downtime and unplanned 360 minutes. If we change this to 60 minutes, as you can see, availability rate is immediately changed, and it's affected OEE. Now we need to produce 1200 parts because we have the planned production cycle time of 1 minute per part. Let's change our total number of products to 1100, and performance rate is changed. Let's say that we are doing much better than the planned production time, 1300 pieces, and the performance is over 100%. It is possible to have OEE over the 100% because of performance rate. If you produce much more parts than you have planned, then obviously you will have much higher OEE. And let's reduce number of scraps to 60. And finally, we have like 95% ratio. And let's say that if we have produced much more products, as you can see, we have OEE over 100. So this is 122% of OEE we have here. And you can see this change on the charts. If you change any chart data, you will see the effects immediately here. Let's reduce number of parts to 900. Now OEE is 67%. As you can see, the charts are changing. That's it. You can actually change the values and data here. You can change the non-grayed out part. Grayed out ones are the calculated fields. So you shouldn't change them. If you want, you can change. You can create your own OEE calculation methods. And this is the rough estimation of cost loss. You can change the cost related data, and you can check the formulas on the cells, and you can see how your profitability ratio and loss ratio is changed, and you can see the effects on this graphics as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to click like. Thanks for watching.